Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on Xbox One. First, understand that BeamNG Drive is not natively available on Xbox One. This highly realistic driving simulator is exclusively designed for personal computers, leveraging their processing power for its complex soft body physics. Therefore, you cannot directly download or play it on your Xbox One console. The primary reason for its PC exclusivity lies in its groundbreaking soft body physics engine. This engine simulates vehicle deformation in real time, requiring substantial central processing unit power to calculate millions of interactions per second. Console hardware, while powerful, is optimized differently, making a direct port challenging without compromising the core gameplay experience. The developers have consistently focused on maximizing performance on the PC platform. While direct play is not possible, some might consider indirect methods. Cloud gaming services allow streaming PC games to various devices, including potentially an Xbox. However, BeamNG Drive is not commonly featured on services accessible through Xbox. Another highly technical option involves streaming the game from a powerful personal computer to your Xbox, but this requires significant setup and a robust home network connection. If you're seeking a similar experience on your Xbox One, there are many fantastic alternatives. Games like the Forza series offer highly realistic driving and detailed vehicle models. For destructive fun, Wreckfest provides impressive vehicle deformation and intense demolition derby action. While not identical, these titles deliver engaging driving physics and open-world exploration that can satisfy your craving for realistic vehicle simulation on your console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.